Every year, Americans consume billions of gallons of packaged water. In 2007, 8.8 billion gallons of bottled water was produced, leaving behind countless plastic containers to dispose of. 17 million gallons of oil were used to create the packaged water. This process made more than 2.5 million tons of carbon dioxide and wasted 327 million gallons of water just to make the water that was bottled. Worse yet, only 20% of those bottles were recycled. 80% wound up in landfills. The dew point wastes nothing. Nothing to recycle. Nothing to throw away. No energy wasted on bottles and bottling. No CO2 generated to make 99.99% pure water.
The dew point atmospheric water generator eliminates the need for bottled water by pulling from a completely renewable resource, the air. There's no wasted plastic, no wasted water, and no wasted energy.
Imagine creating pure water out of thin air. Imagine your own unlimited supply of fresh drinking water. Imagine producing pristine water from a renewable resource. Introducing the Dew Point, a revolutionary appliance that makes pure water from air without the need of plumbing or installation. The Dew Point extracts pure water from the atmosphere and creates the purest possible drinking water with no plastic bottle or water waste. Imagine absolute purity. The Dew Point uses a multi-stage filter system so that 99.99% of all chemicals, solids, and contaminants are removed.
Most people don't realize just how contaminated the tap water is that they're drinking. They trust the EPA, that's the Environmental Protection Agency, to establish levels that will cause the water that they drink to be safe. It's just not the case.
Tap water contains trace amounts of heavy metals like lead, mercury, and aluminum. It also contains carcinogenic chemicals like chlorine, fluorine, and industrial chemicals, agricultural pesticides, and pathogenic microorganisms like E. coli. The Dew Point gives you absolute purity at a low price. All you need is a power socket and air. The Dew Point works by collecting water from the air. After the water is collected, the Dew Point processes the water through a multi-stage filtration system, including carbon and reverse osmosis filters.
The Dew Point atmospheric water system is really a remarkable blend of technologies. It starts, of course, with water that's in the air. And of course, by filtering that water from the air, you eliminate more than 90% of the contaminants that normally are found in tap water. Then we go through a series of remarkable stages in purifying that water to make it the purest water on the planet.
This multi-stage filtration system completely purifies the water, 99.99% pure, before it's stored in the dispensing reservoir. The Dew Point is as sleek and compact as it is convenient and efficient. It features a color LCD monitor and self-monitoring microcomputer. The Dew Point is incredibly simple to operate, and there's no installation necessary. Just plug it in, and in hours you can begin enjoying fresh, pure drinking water. The Dew Point also functions as an air purifier, dehumidifier, water filtration system, and water generator all in one appliance. It's compact and convenient and eliminates the need to lift, store, or buy bottled water. Plus, it has hot and cold water on demand. And it does all of this with less harm on the environment. The Dew Point gives you the purest water possible while saving the environment and is easy and convenient to use. For healthy, sustainable, and convenient water, hop online today at aws-h2o.com.